The world's economies are a web of interconnections, bound by the threads of trade, investment, and the pulse of technology. This intricate dance has unlocked doors to growth and prosperity, yet it has also woven a tapestry of complexity and vulnerability. In this evolving landscape, the balance of power is shifting. The United States stands tall, yet China rises swiftly. Nations like Japan, Germany, and India are carving their own paths on the global stage. These titans of industry are the architects of our future. They fuel the engines of growth, spark innovation, and shape the international order. To navigate the 21st century, one must grasp their strengths and frailties. The global economic landscape is in perpetual motion. New technologies emerge, consumer desires shift, and political alliances transform. In this ever-changing world, adaptability and innovation are the keys to economic triumph. The United States has long been the world's leading economic power. Its economy is marked by its entrepreneurial spirit, its culture of innovation, and its strong institutions. The US dollar remains the world's reserve currency, giving the country significant financial leverage. One of America's key strengths is its technological prowess. The US is home to many of the world's leading technology companies, including Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. These companies are driving innovation in a wide range of sectors, from artificial intelligence to biotechnology. Another important factor contributing to US economic strength is its vast military-industrial complex. This network of defense contractors and research institutions gives the United States a significant military advantage and supports a large number of high-paying jobs. However, this reliance on military spending also poses challenges, such as diverting resources from other sectors. Despite its strengths, the US economy also faces challenges. These include rising income inequality, a growing national debt, and a decline in manufacturing competitiveness. Additionally, the US political system is often gridlocked, making it difficult to address long-term economic challenges. China is the world's second-largest economy, on track to overtake the United States. Its rapid growth is fueled by a skilled workforce, low labor costs, and supportive government policies. China is the world's factory, producing diverse goods and investing in infrastructure. The Belt and Road Initiative connects China globally. China is also emerging as a leader in artificial intelligence. Despite progress, challenges like an aging population and income inequality remain. Japan, land of the rising robot. Japan was once the poster child for rapid economic growth. However, the country has faced economic stagnation for the past few decades, often referred to as the lost decades. Despite these challenges, Japan remains a major economic power with a highly skilled workforce and a reputation for quality manufacturing. One of Japan's key strengths is its automotive industry. Japanese car makers like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan are known for their fuel-efficient and reliable vehicles. These companies are now at the forefront of developing electric and autonomous driving technologies. Another area where Japan excels is robotics. The country is a leading producer of industrial robots and is home to some of the world's most advanced humanoid robots. This expertise in robotics could help Japan address its demographic challenges, such as a shrinking and aging workforce. However, Japan faces a number of economic challenges. These include a large public debt, a rigid labor market, and a shrinking population. Additionally, the country's reliance on exports makes it vulnerable to global economic downturns. Germany, engineering powerhouse going green. Germany is Europe's largest economy and a global leader in engineering and manufacturing. The country is known for its high-quality products, its skilled workforce, and its strong work ethic. Germany is a major exporter of automobiles, machinery, and chemicals. Like Japan, Germany boasts a powerful automotive industry, home to renowned brands like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. These companies are investing heavily in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies, aiming to maintain their leading position in the global automotive market. In recent years, Germany has emerged as a leader in green energy. The country has set ambitious targets for renewable energy production and is investing heavily in solar, wind, and other clean technologies. This focus on sustainability is not only good for the environment, but also creates new economic opportunities. Despite its strengths, Germany faces a number of challenges. These include a rapidly aging population, a skills gap in certain industries, and over-reliance on exports. Additionally, Germany's economy is heavily dependent on the health of the Eurozone, making it vulnerable to economic shocks in other European countries. India, the information technology powerhouse. India is the world's fastest-growing major economy and is projected to be the third largest by 2030. The country has a young and rapidly growing population, providing a large and increasingly skilled workforce. India has made significant strides in recent decades in reducing poverty and improving living standards. One of India's key strengths is its burgeoning information technology industry. The country is a global hub for software development and IT services, with companies like Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services competing on the global stage. This sector has created millions of jobs and driven economic growth. Another growing sector in India is pharmaceuticals. Indian pharmaceutical companies are major producers of generic drugs, supplying affordable medicines to countries around the world. This industry benefits from India's large pool of skilled scientists and engineers. Despite its impressive economic progress, India still faces significant challenges. These include widespread poverty, inadequate infrastructure, and a complex and often inefficient bureaucracy. Additionally, India's education system needs to be strengthened to ensure that its workforce has the skills necessary to compete in the global economy. The future of global economic power. The global economic landscape is constantly evolving, and predicting the future is inherently uncertain. However, several trends suggest that the balance of economic power will continue to shift in the coming decades. The rise of China is perhaps the most significant economic trend of the 21st century. If China can successfully navigate its economic challenges and transition to a more sustainable growth model, it is well positioned to become the world's leading economic power. Other emerging markets, such as India, Indonesia, and Brazil, also have the potential to play a more prominent role in the global economy. These countries have large populations, abundant natural resources, and growing economies. However, it is important to remember that economic power is not a zero-sum game. The rise of China and other emerging markets does not necessarily mean the decline of the United States or other developed countries. In a globalized world, cooperation and collaboration are essential for everyone's prosperity. The major economies of the world are interconnected and will continue to shape our future. Understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and potential trajectories is crucial for navigating the complex and ever-changing global economic landscape.